Greetings. So this is another look. If you're in your 30s and you're looking for the ideal look for church or for an outing, this was for church, then you should try this look, all right? I am Beauty ETC. If you're new here, hi! And if you are not new here, hello. Thank you so much for hanging in. Thank you, thank you. The Juvia's Place bronzers, I used both of these bronzers in this video. I used the dark, this is dark, and I used the top color to bronze my face. This is a little too dark for me. This is more like it. And I also used the medium. I used this color right here for my nose because I don't want it to be too stark and too dark, you know what I mean? And I also used this palette. This is the Blushed Rose palette. Awesome palette. I like it. It's in keeping with the Juvia's Place, you know, tradition, culture. It's cute. It's nice. I mean, what can you say? There's not too much to say about Juvia's Place eyeshadows. They are pigmented, they are affordable, and they are nice. The lip gloss bronze sugar for this look, I used it's a very colorful lip gloss, so it will show up. It's not like, it's opaque. It's an opaque lip gloss, all right? I also used the MAC lipstick in Runway Hit. It's a little pinkish, palish, peachish nude, if that makes any sense. I don't know what color you would call this, but this is what it looks like. And I use it, ooh, did I just put my hand in the lipstick? I'm glad it didn't break. I used it as a foundation for the lip gloss. So keep on watching. Please like, please comment, please subscribe. Greetings. Do you guys notice the tan? That's because I just come from Nigeria. This was my birthday year. I believe that was last year when I recorded this, and so I have that tan. Hello, my mature skin community. We are taking care of our skin, right? That is the Pixie Vitamin C Serum, great for under the eyes. So you want to get that for under your eyes. You do not want your under eyes to be dry because that is calling for wrinkles. You want that product, okay? You don't want to go too ham under your eyes. You want to be gentle. You only use your primer on the T-zone. I have combination skin, hence the reason I'm using a primer only on my T-zone. That is the Bear With Me NYX spray, just to kind of wet my brush, the kind of thing that a NYX not the NYX, the MAC Fix Plus would do. I'm mixing two foundations. The, I'm mixing two foundations, the Estee Lauder, I'm sorry, the Estee Lauder and the Estee Lauder foundation and Becca foundation. This is to get my right shade and also to get the best of both foundations. The Estee Lauder gives me that matte effect, and the other foundation gives me that luminous. The Becca foundation gives me that luminosity that I'm looking for. You don't want your face to be over dry when you're over 30. You want to still look alive, luminous, skin-like foundation. Of course, you guys know what I'm doing here. Now to the fun part. Yes, do you guys still love Juvia's Place? I do. They're so affordable. Now, this particular collection, I don't remember what it's called, but there were two eyeshadow palettes in this collection. I'm not too fond of this collection because, you know, it's not too many things you can do, but this is great. For me, it's more functional as a face palette, but we made it work. This is the Blushed Rose eyeshadow. It gives you that sweet, if you're into sweet pinks and all that good stuff, you will love this eyeshadow palette. But like I said, we want to take better care of our skin when we're over 30, even before then, but more especially when we're over 30. Don't want to use too much on the face. You want to make sure that your skincare game is on point. I cannot overemphasize that. I really don't know how I feel about six-pan palettes. I still think I like more eyeshadows in my eyeshadow palette, so just so that I have plenty of choices to choose, because I don't like routine, variety. So tell me, are you a routine girl or do you like variety like me? I would like to know in the comments. I didn't know why you came to me. If your intentions are good, why are you in this hood? But something led me to feel astray. There is more in your heart than I saw from the start. Baby, I feel like maybe you have a touch, sparrow wings on my back. Deep inside my mind, you glow like a nova and would never screw me over. Suddenly, your brother's all I want. Said this palette is more of a face palette for me. It would be so beautiful as a blush. I had to go into my Sephora. I love this palette to get that highlight color. I love this palette. And of course, I'm just going to melt all the powders together with this NYX Bear With Me spray. It is beautiful. It'll give you that luminosity, take away that, melt everything on your face together. So yes, guys, that is it for today's look. You can basically follow through and see what I'm doing, just merging everything together. I will see you in my next video. Before I say that, I like to use this matte lipsticks as a foundation for my lip glosses. That's an old school style, and it still works for me. I still love it. All right, see you guys in my next video. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe.
Folks.